gonna be the final problem. What is your age? Age problem. Okay? So I have here Sam age and Tom age. Sabi si Sam is 4 years older than Tom. And the product of their ages is 96. How old is Sam? At ano ba yung pakiko kay Sam at Tom? Ba't ko pa kailangan hanapin yung mga age nila? Sige, for the sake of our problem, we will let X be our Tom's age. Okay? So this is our given. Okay? So, yung si X, yan yung magiging age ni Tom. Kasi hindi natin alam yung age ni Tom di ba? Si Sam, sinabi lang dyan, 4 years older daw siya kay Tom. Pero si Tom, walang sinabi kung ano yung age. So, dahil hindi natin alam, we will use X. So, therefore, si Sam, gagamitin natin sa kanya, ibig sabihin, mas matanda siya kay Tom. Ano nga ulit ang age ni Tom? X. Okay? So, ito naman yung kay Sam. Ang sabi dito, the product of their ages, kapag pinag-multiply daw yung dalawang age na yan, ang lalabas daw is 96. So, 96 is the product of their ages. So, ngayon, anong gagawin natin para mahanap natin kung gaano katanda si Sam? Okay? Kung gaano katanda si Sam. So, kailangan natin mahanap yung figure na yun. So, we have here the given. Si Tom, yung product daw ng age ni Tom at ni Sam. This is Tom, this is Sam. Okay, is equal to 96. Okay, again, the product of their ages, this is Tom, this is Sam, is equal to 96. So, how do we find how old is Sam? Okay, so, now, we get to distribute this one. Distribute natin si x and si 4. So, we have x times x, that is x squared, plus x times 4, that is 4x, equals 96. Okay? Again, pag nahanap natin yung x dito, yan yung age ni Tom. Okay? Ngayon, we have here the standard form, x squared plus 4x. We will just transfer this one. Negative 96 equals 0. That is going to be the standard form. And we get to find the factored form. The factor of the two of this particular equation. Okay, so what do you think is the factor? That is the product of negative 96, and the sum is 4. Okay, that's right. So that is, and these are negative 8 and positive 12. Okay, so these are the product of 96, and the sum is positive 4. Okay, when we get the x minus 8 equals 0. So we get to transfer this one. X is equal to 8. Okay. Next, on the other hand, we have x plus 12 equals 0. Transfer natin to, x would be negative 12. Okay. So, ang pinag-uusapan natin ay edad. May tanong ako sa inyo. Meron bang negative na edad? Common sense, wala pong negative na edad. So, ibig sabihin, hindi natin ito pwedeng i-accept. So, ang i-accept lang natin dito is yung x equals 8. Okay? Teka, sino ba si x? Ang x dito ay si Tom. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang age ni Tom is 8 years old. Kung si Tom ay 8 years old, ilan naman daw si Sam? Okay? Sabi kay Sam, si Sam daw ay 4 years older than Tom. So, ibig sabihin, when we use this one, okay, this is gonna be the Sam's age. Sabi is x plus 4. Mas matanda siya kay Tom ng 4 na taon. So, when we use the age of Tom, si Tom ay 8. Okay? Mag-add lang tayo ng 4. And that is going to be equals what? Equals 12. 12 years old si Sam. Okay? Again, 4 na taon ang tanda ni Sam kay Tom. Si Sam, based sa nakuha natin, 12 years old. Si Tom, nakuha natin, that is 8 years old. Si Sam ay 12. Totoo ba na 4 na taon ang kanilang edad? Yes, it is. And that is our final answer. Ang final answer natin, nakuha natin yung edad ni Sam, which is 12 years old. And that's the end of our session today. Good luck for your chapter test. See you sa ating classroom.